If your toilet lid hinge is loose or broken, it can drive you nuts and mess with your bathroom vibe big time. So here's the deal. First, grab a screwdriver and check if those screws holding the lid hinge are just loose. Sometimes that's all it takes to fix the problem. If tightening doesn't do the trick, take a look at the hinges themselves. They might be cracked or worn out, which means it's time for a replacement. You can find replacement hinges pretty cheap online or at any hardware store, and swapping them out is usually a quick job you can handle yourself. When installing new hinges, make sure you line them up properly so the lid sits evenly and doesn't wobble around. If your toilet seat keeps slipping forward or backward, adding some rubber bumpers under the seat can help keep everything steady. Also, avoid slamming the lid down hard. It wears out hinges faster than you think. If your bathroom gets extra humid, wipe down the hinges occasionally to stop rust or corrosion from sneaking in. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your toilet seat working smoothly without annoying creaks or wobbles. One of the biggest mistakes people make with toilet lid hinges is ignoring the problem until it gets worse, which often leads to needing a full seat replacement instead of just fixing the hinges. Another common issue is using the wrong size screws or low-quality replacements that strip easily or don't hold tight, so always match screws to your original ones or buy good quality parts. Lastly, not aligning the hinges properly during installation can cause the lid to tilt or not close correctly, but you can fix this by loosening screws, adjusting the position carefully, and then tightening them back down. These simple fixes save you money and keep your bathroom feeling fresh without hassle. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to home repairs like this. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to connect with people looking for reliable help and grow your business.